Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is UN Internal Justice Council Chairperson. Justice Madan B. Lokur has been appointed Chairperson of the United Nations Internal Justice Council for a term ending on November 12, 2028. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres made the appointment official in a communication dated December 19, 2024. This appointment marks a significant achievement in Justice Lokur's career following his retirement from the Supreme Court of India in 2018. The Internal Justice Council is composed of distinguished jurists, with Justice Lokur leading a team of notable members. Drishti IAS Mukherjee Nagar classes has now shifted to Noida. Drishti IAS is in Noida now. IAS GS Foundation Prelims Plus Mains course first offline batch in English medium. The admissions are open. The address is C171/2 Block A Sector 15 Noida near Metro Station Noida Sector 15. For any query, give us a call at 87501-87501. Justice Lokur's background and career. Justice Lokur served as a judge of the Supreme Court of India from 4 June 2012 until his retirement in December 2018. In 2019, he was appointed to the Supreme Court of Fiji as a non-resident judge, becoming the first Indian to hold such a position in another country's highest court. Known for his contributions to judicial reforms, Justice Lokur has had a distinguished career in India and internationally. His expertise in legal matters will play a crucial role in his new position at the UN Internal Justice Council. Council members and their roles. The UN Internal Justice Council comprises other distinguished jurists alongside Justice Lokur, including Ms. Carmen Artigas, Uruguay, external jurist nominated by staff; Ms. Rosalie Balkin, Australia, external jurist nominated by management; Mr. Stephen Brezina, staff representative, Austria; Mr. Jay Pozinel, USA, management representative. These members will work with Justice Lokur to oversee and advise on matters related to internal justice within the UN system. Now it's time for the practice question. Where was Justice Lokur appointed as a judge in 2019? Fiji Supreme Court, Australia High Court, UK Supreme Court, or Singapore Court of Appeal? Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.